Hello friends, today I will introduce how to set the panel buttons and the rotary on our VW. Our system is XY Auto. Now XY Auto system we can see from the system info. It's 9892128. Then we can go to, first we need to go to our setting to find our setting. And find the factory setting. The password is 48888. Okay, now first one, if you sometimes our rotary not work, we need to go to the encoder setting. See here, and choose the AD detect 1. Normally it's AD detect 1, or you can try others if not worked. Then we position setting, we can choose the negative, choose this too. We tried. See here. The sound is controllable. Let me try also try to the save it. Okay, and okay, save it. Then we see here from setting, from radio. You see here. But sometimes if you want to switch these two functions, if some button for this channel not sensitive, you can try to switch the function. Also, we go back to the setting. You see here, they have an equal and equal to functions switch. They will click it and choose it. Okay. We can see here, this set will become the sound, and this set will be the channel. This also worked with this 7-inch unit is same. If the system is XY Auto, the setting process is same for 7-inch and 8-inch. Also, we can also set the function of the buttons. Okay, let me go to here. Same in the setting, and the password is 888. And we find the physical button setting. First, we need to start it and match the touch one and match anyone in the physical button. Like Milton, we can try the Milton from here. Then we are successful. And the radio, we can connect to the band. Navy to this mark. Bluetooth is BT. And the radio. And the others for EQ. Then close it. They'll be successful. You can see Milton, band, Bluetooth, EQ. Also, you can set any matching. You can do any matching with the button and with the system setting. Okay, Another question, please contact us. Thank you.